Well, hi there, everybody. Meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News weather and your forecast, of course, brought to you by Bud Cleary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. Well, we had quite a mess overnight last night. Quite a bit of freezing fog much of the morning and just awful driving conditions. Things improved a little bit, but things are going to be going downhill again as the next system comes on in. So another messy event coming for the weekend. So again, we're going to go through another period of some freezing precipitation, but this one does look like finally it'll change to rain. I thought the one last night would change to rain during the morning hours, but it ended before it had a chance to do so. Moderate to heavy snow for the passes. So again, keep that in mind, particularly north of State Highway 2. Quieter once this system goes through for much of next week. But then we get back into that morning fog and freezing fog again by mid to late week. 42 and 21, yes, very cold with the freezing drizzle early this morning. 0.2 of an inch of precipitation. Again, a mix of freezing drizzle, snow, and just a mess here in Ephrata. 42 degrees and 28 extremes in Moses Lake with about 0.15 of an inch of precipitation. Now we do have mostly cloudy skies. Things try to brighten up, if you will, during the day today, and temperatures did finally get above freezing, but still mostly cloudy skies, and we'll look for the clouds to thicken on up overnight tonight with this next system moving on in. So let's put it into motion, and you can see by midnight we're cloudy again, and again looking for maybe some freezing drizzle. And we're noticing that the pinks and the blues and the whites indicating winter mix moves to the north during the day. But again, generally north of State Highway 2. Still heavier rains, and it looks like will continue into Sunday as well. Maybe lingering into Monday morning, some flurries, but again, by that time, most of the moisture will be west of the Cascades. Speaking of moisture, again, let's just focus in on the snow. Again, the gray shades here, the lighter the shade, the heavier the amounts. And again, from north of State Highway 2, we're looking for the passes to really get pretty tricky. In the meantime, we do have a period of some freezing precipitation once again here in the basin to deal with. So specifically for our Saturday forecast, looking for some maybe moderate to heavy rainfall amounts, 2-3 inches of rain, particularly the Cascades west. And again, inland northwest, looking for some higher elevation snows, and some traveling conditions will be pretty bad through most of the area of the inland northwest. Focusing in on the Columbia Basin and Sea, just a mess. Some brightening skies possible at times late in the day, but still generally looking for a rain event by mid to late afternoon. But still, northern sections could hang in the freezing precipitation for a good portion of the day. Ending as rain on Sunday, see temperatures moderate above freezing, and then things improve for the holiday. But then we get back into the morning fog and freezing fog by midweek next week. Have a great weekend, everybody.